Ollie, I've never really associated Hyfore work holding with tool holders, but you've recently launched a new tool holding range. Can you tell me a little bit about this range?
Yeah, so we've recently started to dip into the more tool holding, the back end supplying. So for us, the Acrow range is a perfect fit into our product portfolio.
So what is unique about the Acrow tool holders and back end range that you are offering?
Well, Acrow supply a massive range of different holders. So we've got just a small snap case of what we've got here, really. But the main ones that we find a lot at the moment is the HC holders, which we've got a lot on display here, which have got no nut on the end. So essentially, you can get really small shank diameters, which compete with the likes of heat shrink holders.
Well, that's what I'm going to mention, really, Ollie. They do look like an heat shrink holder, but these are in fact a collet holder. So how do you tighten the collet? And for this particular model here, what size end mill would that accommodate for?
So we've got the HC06, this would go up to 6 mil in collet size. So the collets themselves are actually tightened up from below the pull studs, and they're almost like a feed finger that would screw through the top, and with a 5 mil hex key, just tighten them up.
Now surely you're not going to achieve the same accuracy with a collet as you are with a heat shrink holder, is that correct?
Well, we've actually found that we can actually match the heat shrink accuracy from doing it with some of our customers and looking at it and looking at a bit more depth. They've actually come out that there's not actually much difference in there actually.
So that's really impressive, really. You're actually matching the accuracy of a heat shrink tool holder. What other benefits then will you get with the collet system? Does that mean that you've got more capacity per holder?
Yeah, exactly. So because of the ease of changing over collets, it's a lot easier if you've got a breakage in the tools, for example, which we found with some of our customers. It's a lot easier for ease of access, obviously, over than a normal collet holder, that's for sure. And we can get some pretty impressive gauge lengths. I mean, we can go up to 150 gauge length in the smaller shank.
Now, in an age where people are really considering the complete process a lot more and not overlooking tooling and work holding, in your opinion, if you had a message to potential customers looking for new tooling, what would that message be and why should they consider Acrow?
The message for me would be, if you're looking at investing in a new machine, a lot of times people overlook the actual importance of the tool holding solution. So you actually need to investigate that more, and by all means come and see us, come and see Acrow, and we can actually get you some holders to trial out potentially, or look at some offers to be able to try and actually persuade you physically and let you see the benefits yourself.
So kind of you're getting benefits in regards to better spindle longevity,
Yeah.
better accuracy, less vibration. Some of these qualities are what you're going to be offering with the tooling that you supply.
Yep, with the Acrow solutions that we can cover any tool holding requirement.
Cheers, Ollie.
No problem, thank you very much.